Jumps left should be decreased each time we attempt a new jump. So here jumps left should become what its current value was, -1. And this should be only happening if we had some jumps left. So I will need a new if. I will write it here, and I will only give time for ascending, for future ascending of the player, only if he has jumps left. So this is the condition that I will check. Is jumps left positive? Let's see what is going on now. So I'm refreshing the game, and I can jump few times. And wow, something happened. I wasn't able to jump this time. Let's see if I can jump from the ground. I am able to jump now, and this was my second jump, third jump, fourth. What happened with the fourth jump? Apparently something's wrong with my fourth jump each time. Do you think I have a bug? No, it's not a bug, it's a feature. This is what I wanted. I want to limit the jumps that the player is able to do to only 3. 3 initially when we start the game, and a triple jump when we are stepped on the ground. We can jump from the ground, and while we are in midair, we are allowed to do 2 more jumps. And if we want more jumps, we will have to go back to the ground. So this is what I needed for limited triple jump on the version with some time left for each jump. For example, 1 or 2 seconds is the duration of all of my jumps. In the 5th mode, again, we will be able to make a limited number of jumps on a key up, but those jumps are going to be much more realistic. As you can see, in the beginning of the jump I have big speed, and during the time I'm losing this speed, I'm stopping in the top part of my jump, and then I slowly start going down. In order to make such a mode, again, you will need to have a variable jumps left or something like this, and you will need to decrease it with the time passing. And also you will need a variable that we used in the Pong game, a variable that we will know what is the speed at which player's Y is changing. You can see that sometimes I'm going up, so my Y is decreasing, and sometimes I'm going down and my Y is increasing. So you should be careful what is a good initial delta Y when I'm starting my explosive jump down, just like I have a rocket or a jetpack perhaps that uses explosives for a short time. I want you to change this now. I don't want the game to have a specific duration for each jump. Instead, I want you to change the key up code and again use delta Y. I want you to change delta Y on key up so that the direction of our movement is changed. I want you to always change delta Y due to gravity in update, but on key up to change it in the opposite direction. Delta Y is the variable that we are going to add to my Y, and this new task is actually our fifth way to control the player in this lesson. As I told you, we are going to have 6 modes for this kind of stupid game, because so far we don't have any enemies, any goals, anything to do except to jump in many different ways. Make a jump in which the player gains ascending momentum on each key up. Come on.